So we are working on this fabric. We are creating ruffles or fringes, should we call these fringes, for the hem. So I want to show you how we achieved that. So this is a piece of the fabric. We are going to be doing exactly the same thing here. This fabric is hand woven and it is very similar to Aso Oke. So in case you're working with Aso Oke, you're going to be doing the same thing. So what you need to first do is to cut out the knit edge. Okay, I've already done that for this fabric. Just cut out the knit edge. Just cut out the selvage of the fabric so that you have loose ends like this. You can see that this has some colorful fabrics that were woven in groups. Those are the ones we are going to pull out first. So because it is relatively easier to pull out threads in group than it is to pull out single ones, right? And then our fringes are going to be vertical like this. So we are pulling out the horizontal threads. So you can see this one is easy to pull out. You just take it one after the other, one layer after the other. So I like to do this in the middle so that I can pull in both directions. So you're going to continue doing that. So till you have something like this left. So this sample you are looking at, we have already pulled out all the horizontal strands, and this is what we have. Next, I'm going to now cut this, because this one as it is now, it still has the vertical ones which are wool-like, and then it still has some horizontal threads. Those ones are actual threads, not wool. In order to make pulling out the threads easier, we are going to cut this. I've already overlocked here and I've already sewn it onto the dress. So you can overlock, you can pipe, whatever you need to do to differentiate the joining so that it doesn't keep pulling out even when you are done. You can do like 2 inches, it will make it easier. So I'm going to cut, I'll cut it as straight as possible because we are going to lose some of the wools at the end of the day depending on how you cut. So when this is done, you are then able to, you can see we are losing some of it. Don't worry, it will still be full. So having done this, you can now see the threads standing here. Because your threads are so short, they are easy to pull out, okay? And you can do this. So do you see how easy they are coming off? And just like that, we have our wool for this. So I'll move on to the next one and continue. You need some patience, okay? It will take time. Joy has been working on this for a whole day because this is a full circle flare. So that's how you continue, creating your wool or fringes or whatever it is called till you achieve this. So this can be good for your hem, sleeve, or just a design detail on an outfit. If you learned anything from this, please give this a thumbs up, make sure you share it and drop a comment in the comment section. See you in the next one.